Hey guys, my S Pen finally got here, so let's just get right in there and open it up, because I have not used this sort of thing on a phone before. So, S Pen, ba-na-na-na-na-na, and what, there's just shipping stuff in that. Star Trek again. S Pen, it says Galaxy S21 Ultra on it, so it's like designed for this phone. Blah 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 blah, usual thing. Designed by Samsung, made in China this time. Everything else was made in Vietnam, so that's interesting. S Pen stylet package contains S Pen 1 piece, S Pen nib 2 pieces, tweezers 1 piece, leaflet. Okay, so there's a little bit more in there than I was expecting. How do I open this? With much difficulty, because there's little plastic tabs on the side, and they just love making things hard for me that way. But hey, I'm going to ruin the packaging a little bit because I have no patience today. Just had a little fight with my Zoom gadget, so hopefully it's recording sound okay. If it's not, this is going to be super annoying, but whatevs. I probably should have tested it. Hey. Yeah, no, hang on. Here we go. Here we go. I've almost got it. No, I haven't. Yes, I do. Ta-da! So I think I missed the little booklet thingy, which will probably tell me like how things work, right? Or is it just warranty? Let's have a look. Lots of language I can't read. Where's the English? It just, yeah, my consumer rights are protected under the law, Declaration of Conformity, yada yada yada. So nothing exciting there. This is what I guess is exciting stuff. Once again, my lighting is terrible. Yeah, anyway, so the pen itself, if I can get it out, oh my god, I'm scared of breaking it. Because like this is like some hard plastic that it's in, not like your usual soft plastic. If I can get it, well, the thing that fell out first was this little thing. So it's like a little cardboard doodad. It says canvas on it. I don't know why it says canvas. Let me see if I can open it. Oh my god, why everything comes in such tiny little... Alrighty, so we've got that little thing, if I can pull that out. So, these would be the tweezers, am I right? Oh, nah. It can sort of focus on it with great difficulty. This is what I get for trying to use a crappy little... I'll take pictures of this at the end and I guess shove them in here somewhere. It's kind of cute, kind of terrifying. Not what I was expecting to get in there. And then here we've got our two little nibs, and they're just sort of shoved into a little cardboard. One of them is a black one of them's a white one. Oh my god. Hey, you can kind of see. I'll pull them out. So I'm not really sure if there's any difference between them. I know with my old graphics tablet, it had a few different ones. They do feel kind of different. The grey one looks like it's slightly fatter. I'm not sure. I'll put them aside and try not to lose them. Now, let's try again and get the pen out of here. How does this work? Maybe the tweezers is to get it out of the packaging. I'm just scared. I don't want to break it. Oh my god. Oh, I just popped it out. Okay. Hey. Cute! So, in terms of size, it's like the size of a pencil rather than a... well, I mean, I guess it's the size, depends on what size your pen. Similar size, slightly smaller. And then my red pen, very small compared to that. But pencil, very close. Cute, kind of squarish in the shape. It has a little button in here. Not really sure what to do with that yet. Says Samsung up here. Yeah, no, fun. Me, not being a tech person, just only... So, what do I do with it? Do I just, like, tap stuff? Hey! I can tap stuff. And then if I get my dog's notes about his issues, at the moment it's just scrolling. And, yeah, you can't see crap on my crappy thing, but can I draw on it? How do I do that? Hey! Yay! Now I can draw on my phone. And what is the point of that? I don't really know. I guess eventually I'll figure out what we're doing, but can we see anything? Hang on. No, I didn't. There we go. Here we go. I'm really sorry that my webcam is so terrible and can't show you stuff. But look how artistic I am. Let's just undo all that. Hi. It can convert my crappy writing into text, so that's cute. Anyway, that's just me. Like, I've not used any of this. I'm sorry, this video is really bad. I've got a heap of work to do. But now I have a pen. I don't know where I'm going to keep it. I don't know where I'm going to keep the spare little nibs, like, and I don't know what this is for. So I'm going to have to look all that stuff up and eventually figure it out. And if anyone wants to give me advice, yay! Oh, now I remember what I was going to do. I have my old Wacom pen that came with my tablet, and the question we wanted to know is, does it work on this? No, it does not. It's too old. It's when did I get this? Oh, probably half a decade ago. I don't know. You go into let me make a new one. Try and get that out. Nothing happens, not that you can see on the screen anyway, but yeah. It doesn't work, but I thought I'd just show you one thing that would be nice with the sort of standalone pen that they've given you, is like this has a nice, like, you've got a thing to stand it in, so that's cool. And if you open it up, that's where they keep all the nibs. So, you know, if anyone is looking for like future Samsung product development, if you could give us a place to store the nibs, that'd be awesome, because then I don't have to worry about that. Yeah, because I don't know, I put them back in the little paper thing, but I'm like, how am I going to keep this stuff so that it doesn't disappear? I'm not set up for this. Anyway, most important thing is, can I use the pen for that AR thing? So I'm going to go and try that now. Alrighty. Hi. Hi. Oh, kinda. I can kind of line up a little bit further away. Have we now got... Yeah! So, like, if you practiced at this, you could probably make something a little bit more 3D. And if we try and do something next to it, say, and if we walk forward, so if we're like... Sort of. I think I started to go through it at one point there, but let's get a different color. So let me draw like a circle. Okay, and then let me change the color. So yeah, we get a circle there. Let's see if we can aim our way into it and go all the way through it. Uh-oh. I'm trying, but I don't know if it's working. Oh, it stopped when I got there. Let's try again. Let me get a different color. How do I... Okay. I think this, like, I'm trying to practice, right? Let's see if I can go through. All right. Yeah, okay, it's working better this time. Oh no, I lost it. Did I do it? Guys? Sort of. I got a little bit... I don't know why it keeps getting lost there. Let me get another color and we'll try again. Okay, let's see. And I am using the pen, which, yeah, is pretty fun, but let's see if we can get in there. If I keep moving it, will that help it? So it doesn't get stuck halfway. I'm trying to get there. Did I make it, guys? Did I? Yay! It's just a horrible blobby mess. Hi, pen. And Hope's like, why are you just walking in circles? Why am I? Why? What is it? It's saying draw face doodles in here. Okay. Hang on. He's sort of. What do I use? Maybe. No, you're not looking at me, Hopey. 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 You gonna look at me? Are you? What did I do to him? What did I do to you, babe? Oh, now it's stuck to his nose. And he ate it! I'm sorry, little dog. Oh no, now I've connected little rainbows to him, poor baby. Poor baby. Huh? What have I done to you? He's a bit uncomfortable with this whole thing. Oh my god, Hopi. Oh my god, poor little baby. So, hello! Hello, what have we done? It doesn't realize that this is a mirror, so... Hey, it's all still there. But not in the mirror, so we're like vampires at this point, hey. Is it... Can I... Now I've been infected with the rainbow thing. How do I erase it? On my other thing, you could... On my Wacom one, you could turn it around to the other side and it has an eraser, but I think on this one it doesn't. Is there an eraser mode in this? God, I don't know. What is this? Oh no. Oh no, now we've got clouds and stuff. But clouds, are they only in the mirror? No, they're on the mirror. This is such a bizarre, like, hey, now we've got a sun thing. And what else can we put? Oh, there's all kinds of garbage. No, how do I erase stuff? Is there an eraser? There's just, like, what's the difference between this mode and this mode? Oh, okay, one is kind of goopy, the other one's not. And then this one is the one with all the funky ones. And then what is this? Oh, neon-y kind of things. But how do I erase stuff? That's what I want to know. What is this? Oh. Oh? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, fun. I have a pen now. And, oh no, now it's stuck to my face. Don't look at me. Don't, oh no. See that, how, that's the thing with this AR mode. How do you erase anything? Or do you just have to, like, keep pressing undo until everything's gone? Is Hopi better now? He is. And, oh, I lost my... Hey, okay. Okay, we're good. So, me and my S Pen, it feels nice. I don't really know what I'll use it for because I don't do a whole lot of like written note taking when I write. Like mostly I write notes about Hope. Oh, he's so cute. And, but I just type it. So, yeah, I'm not sure what the use of this is, but I have it. I got it for free, essentially. It goes with the phone, and I don't know where I'm going to keep it. But yeah, oh, I didn't test what the button does. Huh? What's this? Oh! 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 How do I go back? I think I accidentally paused it. But yeah, I don't know what the button does. So, like, I'm going to have to read what you even do with this. I keep, yeah, okay, so when I click it, it brings up some kind of a menu thingy, but, yeah, I don't know. So I gotta learn about how to use this. If anyone wanna give me some tips besides just running around my house drawing garbage, let me know. Yeah, this has been another terrible sort of unboxing kind of thing, and I will see you guys tomorrow, Wednesday night, 8 p.m. We'll be live streaming again about I don't know what, so get me on a ramble and and I'll see you then, guys.